So this is a BMW 2011 328i, and I'm having this issue with the door latch. Every time I try to lock it, this is what it does, and it does go down, but the door doesn't lock. So let me show you. So right there, I'm gonna unlock it. I'm gonna lock it down, and as you can see, when the little lock went down, but the door still opens. As you can see, it's down. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and they're saying that it could be the door latch, or some people even say that like a module is what it is. I've seen some other videos where they say that you can put like some oil or grease on the door latch, and it should work. I tried that, and it doesn't work. So I already bought the door latch. I bought an aftermarket. This is a doorman. This is the part number for my car. Just make sure you get the right part for your car. It's a 328i 2011. I'm gonna see if I can put the link in the description. Got this on Amazon. I already replaced the one on the door, on the rear door, and it fixed the problem. It opens correctly now. So to remove this, to remove the door panel, it's pretty simple. You just have to remove this trim right here. You can just pop it out. You can use some screwdriver or whatever you have, but you can just grab it with your hand. So right there, it's off. And you have some screws right here. This one's right here. I'm gonna show you the size. You have 3 only. 1, 2, and another one right here. So it's gonna be a T-Torx 20. I don't know if I can focus on it. It's a T20 Torx. Just gonna be using the screwdriver. So just remove the 3 screws. So once you remove the 3 screws, you have to remove this trim. This one, it just clips in, so you just gotta pull it out. Just be gentle with it. Right there, it's off. And now you have another screw in here, same size. So now it's time to remove the panel, and it also is just clipped in, so you just have to just pull it out. I'm gonna be using like a flathead screwdriver to put it in here and try to start pulling it out. So right there, I removed it, and now you have the speaker cables and this one for the door. This one just comes out like this. Right there, it's off. And the one with the speaker is just, you just pull it out. It has like a clip. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I didn't unplug the other cables, the one for the light. I'm just gonna leave it like that, so it's upside down. And this is where we have to remove it from. So this cover, you just pull it out. It's just some glue, and it should be you're gonna be able to put it back together with the same glue. And right here you have this plug. Right here it has some clips. You just gotta push them down and just pop it off. Gonna have to stop the recording. Can't do it with one hand. And this one, you just pull it out. It's just like that. And this one, same thing. Just push this one out. Just like bring it down. So it's like this. Just bring it down and push it out, and unlatch it from here. And then when you replace the new one, you just bring it in like this. So just remove it. And now I'm gonna be using this one, the T30. So this is the 30, size 30 Torx. And you have these 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. So just remove those. There's 3. So in here you have to remove some parts. It's gonna be hard to get it on video, so there it goes. You're just gonna have to remove all these pieces right here. This ones, just gotta unhook them from the door latch. This cable right here it's like a clip right here. You just pull it out. Let's see if I can do it on video. So right there. And this other wire, well, it's not a wire, it's like this one right here. Just gotta unhook it from the latch. It's like a clip. You just gotta pull it out like this. So right there is released. This one right here, just pull it out. So now all you have to do is take this one out. It's gonna be a little hard to take it out. The one in the back was easier. I had enough room. On this one, I think I'm gonna have to like unloosen. I think I'm gonna have to remove this bolt for the window regulator or actuator. I'm gonna have to remove this ones and try to make some room or space to take it out. I don't think it'll come out just like this. So to remove this nuts is gonna take a 10mm socket. 10mm socket. I'm just gonna try to remove just this side. Hopefully that'll give me enough space. If not, I'll have to work something else. So I was able to get it out. This is the old piece, so it's not in here no more. I just unloosened like all the system, the system for the window. This screws right here, it's bolts. These are nuts. I unloosened everything and just pushed this one all the way over here. So this is where it's supposed to be. And I just push it like all the way. Just put it like this, like hold it right there, and then just work it out through here. This should be, you know, it just makes it out. It's not, you gotta play with it until you get it out. See? So I'm gonna bring in the new one. This one's the damaged one. I'm gonna bring in the new one. I'm gonna play with it till it goes in. Just make sure you kind of bring it in facing the way that it's supposed to be. So this is the way I'm gonna bring it in. I already tried it, and this is the way it goes in. Just facing this way. So as you can see, everything's the same, and it just kind of goes in, smooth it in like this. So right there, this is where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the screws, the 3 screws on the side. I'm probably gonna leave them a little loose just so I can work in the inside where I gotta put in the wire. So right there, the 3 screws are in. So now I'm just gonna put in all the wires, everything together. I'm gonna start with the ones in the back with the little wire for the door. This one, where is it? This one right here. This one's gonna be a little hard to get on video, but basically all you gotta do is just put it in place. Let's see if I can get it. Just put it where it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I really can't do it with one hand, and I'll show you how it goes. So basically you gotta just clip it in right here. So right there, everything's ready to be put in together. Put in the door panel. I did all the 3 screws on the side, all the inside. It's ready. Just gotta latch it back in. That's ready. And this one right here, you just gotta bring it in like this, just straight in. So right there, this one's ready. Clipped it in. As you can see, it just goes in all the way in right here, and it's ready for the panel to go on top. I'm gonna put the cover back in and just plug it in. So right there is ready. I just plugged it in. Just make sure it snaps in all the way. I'm gonna plug in the speakers and put the panel back in. So this one, it just goes in like this. There it is. Wires are connected. This one is in already. So when you put in that one in, make sure this lever, it's pressed in. Like you push it in, and then you just clip in the white clip right there. Have this one facing up, and just bring in your panel, and then all these clips are gonna get clipped in together. Those white clips, just align them and press them in, and it should just stay on there. So right there is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and try it before I put everything up together. So I'm gonna go ahead and, right there's locked. I'm gonna unlock it. There it goes. Open up. So I'm gonna close the door, and it should lock now. So right there it's unlocked. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. I don't know if you can see it going in. Right there it's in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So it locks now. So that's the problem. The actuator, it's not the module or anything in this case. So right there. So I put in all the 4 screws on the inside. So I'm just gonna put in this trim. This one just basically just clips in. Just align it. Just push it in. Right there's in, and I'm gonna put the trim right here. This one, same thing. It just clips in. Just clips in right here. Just align it and just clip it in. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna leave the links in the description. So it's working properly now. So thank you for watching.